way he's going, right? Go up there in front of that trolling motor. Big one right here. Big one fish. Drop them to the bottom. Drop that back right. Here they are, 30 to 40. Around 40 feet. Waypoint thing mark that.
That's what we need to see right there. Oh.
Come on, guys, bite them things. Your bait may be dead on that, Scott.
There's something going on. Son, you okay?
We got 40 feet to go.
For now.
Ah! This one.
What are you doing? My bait's dead.
He snapped it. Yeah, that's what I thought was bait for dead. He was. Right. Why that trolling motor?
Calm down.
Hello. We're not.
Where you at?
There.
Don't horse it. Don't horse it. Go this way.
Leaning back toward you. Pull your rod back. There you go. That said that successfully marked that, but I don't see it on here nowhere. Swallowed.
Put your rod over there. Let's get a quick picture. Get him back.
Oh, wait, go to the right over. Just leave it hanging in the water over there. I'll walk to the front of the boat. Bring it on in there.
Burnette or Boca? Good deal.
Alright, you hold this part right there. It's right there where you at, and I'll get to it. Alright, sit back on the water. Put that right over there.
Alright, you sit. Sit right here on this seat right here. I can see you this time.
Let me turn.